Hey guys, good morning. This is Dawal here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, I hope you have been learning the Revit software through our tutorials, and I hope you are well. And if you really like our tutorial and videos, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So, in this video, we'll talk about error in the Revit. So, whenever you load a particular family into the Revit and Revit will show such kind of error as you can see on the screen, and you are not able to add particular family into the Revit, and at that time how to solve this kind of issue, and what is another way by which we can load the family into the Revit. So we'll talk about step by step process in this video. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see on the screen when I was working on the project and just I want to add the door family, then I have faced this kind of issue in the Revit 2020. So just I thought that I should make the tutorial on this topic on this issue so you guys can solve this kind of issue easily. Okay, so the error is sum of all of our family files you selected cannot be loaded. You must choose family file of category 2. Do you want to retry loading a new set of file? if I'll select yes, then again वो family का dialog box जो है वो open हो जाएगा. Just I am selecting on the yes. So यहाँ से just I want to add this family, but I'm not able to load this family into the project from the Revit. Now, if we select no over here, so यहाँ से वो process close हो जाएगी. But what is the solution of this issue? So let's talk about that. Okay. So यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्टली पर्टिकुलर कोई फैमिली है उसको लोड नहीं कर सकते, इस तरह की एरर रैविट में आती है. सो वी हैव अनदर वे बाय विच वी कैन लोड द फैमिली. सो रैविट की फैमिलीज जो है वो सी ड्राइव में बाय डिफॉल्ट वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी सेव्ड होती है. सो वी कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर. So I'll show the location and some tips over there, and we have some tips, so I'll show you. Okay, so to know the location of the family, if we load any family over here, and if you select on the load family over here, if you drop down, so you can find the path of Revit family over here. So from the C drive over here, we have program data, then Autodesk, then Revit 2020, then we have library. Okay, so from this path, we'll first open the family. Okay, so we'll first find the program data into the C drive. Okay, so in the C drive, okay, so first of all, we'll open C drive in the file manager, and over here, if you find we haven't have any kind of program data folder. So यहाँ पे we have seen that first folder is program data, but over here we are not able to see the program data folder. So how can you see that folder, particular folder? So for that, just you want to select over here view, and यहाँ से just select on the show button. Now at the last, just select on the hidden items. So if you are now you are able to see the program data folder. Now in the program data folder here, just go to Autodesk. Now just go to down and select the Revit 2020 folder, and here you will find the libraries. Now go to over here this folder and go to door family. So यहाँ पे हमारी जितनी भी Revit की by default families है वो यहाँ पे already we have. Then from here we can open the family. Now click on the do the right click and open the Revit family. So by default वो Revit में open हो जाएगी. Now जो भी प्रोजेक्ट है एंड फैमिली है वो सेम Revit में ओपन करना है, एंड देन over here select the family file, and over here if you find load into the project, and second option is load into project and close. सो अगर आप इस ऑप्शन को चूज करते हो देन फैमिली जो है वो प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर लोड हो जाएगी एंड ऑटोमेटिकली फैमिली क्लोज हो जाएगी. लेट मी शो यू. सो इफ़ यू सी प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर हमारी डोर की फैमिली जो है वो लोड हो गई है एंड डायरेक्टली वो जो फाइल है वो क्लोज हो गई है। ओके, सो लेट मी क्रॉस चेक फैमिली यहाँ पे ऐड हुई है या नहीं। सो गो टू लेवल 1 एंड द फैमिली वाज अबाउट कर्टेन डोर। So here we'll make one curtain wall and let me choose curtain wall and let me go to 3D and over here we'll add some curtain grids and okay, that's fine. Delete this one. Select the panel with the help of tab key and drop down this option. Okay, yeah, we have added successfully the door family. Okay, so like this way, you can add the family. Okay, so like this way, you can solve this kind of issue in the Revit 2020. And whenever you work and if you face this kind of issue, then this is a secondary way by which you can load the family into the project. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like, then please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.